Hi, good morning. I would like to give a demo on collection framework and Java.util package has the classes and interfaces with regard to a collection framework. And first of all, I would like to start with what a framework is. A framework is something which has complex low-level functionality. And when someone creates a framework, which is complex, then someone using a framework, their job is going to be simple, right? Their level of abstraction is going to be very high because they don't have to worry about how the framework works internally, but they only are going to use the framework, build their applications on top of the framework, and use the framework. So their level of abstraction is going to be high. So why is it named as collection framework? Because we're going to deal with collection of objects. So in Java, we know that it is going to deal with a lot of objects at any point in time, collection of objects. So that's why it's named as collection. So traditionally, arrays are used to deal with collection of objects, but arrays have their own disadvantages where it is homogeneous and the size has to be fixed. So to overcome these disadvantages, we can go on for using collection framework, which wherein we don't have to worry about the number of objects or size, and we don't have to worry about the type of objects because collection framework basically supports heterogeneous type of objects. Collection framework internally uses arrays, and so but we don't have to worry about the complexities that are involved with regard to having these objects dynamic with regard to their size and type. In addition to these core functionalities, the collection framework also helps us to provide, helps us to deal with unique objects. If in case we need a collection of unique objects where there should not be any duplicates, then we can go on for using a set type of a collection. And if we want to entertain duplicate objects in the collection, we can go on for a list type of collection. So in addition to these things, we know collection framework helps us to sort a collection of objects, which these facilities are not, features are not available with arrays. In addition to this, we have maps where we can store key and value. Collections are basically not very efficient when we have to search for a particular object, and because search will happen through the entire collection in order to find a specific object, so which is not very efficient. So going in for Mac, we have key and value. So we are having objects which are indexed, so whenever we want to search for a particular object, we can use the key and get the corresponding value. So that way maps are very efficient. So we can either choose to use list or we can choose to use map. Thank you.